Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can use the pencil sketch effect in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let's open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. And here let me just quickly insert a picture and image. Click on the insert, click on pictures, this device. And I have this picture. Click on insert. Now once inserted, you just have to select your image. Simply click on it to select it and you will find the picture format tab from the top. And you'll find all these options. You'll find artistic effects. Click on this drop down arrow. And here you will find this option, pencil sketch. So in order to use the pencil sketch, you just have to click on it. And that's it. You have just used the pencil sketch or apply the pencil sketch effect to your image in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.